Alright, well, I've just resoldered all these new caps in place, these green ones that you see here. Right, they're 1500 microfarad. And these little black ones as well. It wasn't previously on the board. Right. You can also see these two of them in there. Alright, so everything's plugged in. Just screwed back on the power board. Back onto the unit. Now, we're going to plug it in real quick, just to check to make sure that everything is up and running before I reassemble all the casing. Okay, so let's hit power. Bang. Oh, green light came on. See that? And now the ballast should charge up the screen, and boom, blue screen. Looks good. Alright. So that's how you fix a power board problem with your LCD screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 416-575-2653. Thank you. Bye-bye.